Hi there, it's Shell and Clint
Hi guys.
and Mom.
Hi.
So guys, we are trying something new today. We are doing dandelion jelly. So the other day Clint picked tons of dandelions. Mom and I spent hours, felt like hours.
Oh, I am. I'm gonna start to drive.
You just take the yellow out. I just was kind of showing you guys. And you want a good, of course you want to go where, you know, they haven't been sprayed. So you want a healthy dandelion. And you just want like a lightly packed 2 cup worth for one batch. And we got tired after one batch. So, and then let me show you, it's been sitting. So it's been sitting in the fridge. You wash it or rinse them, you know, really good. And then you just put some boiling water on it, let it sit. It says for at least 24 hours. This has been about 2 days. And it doesn't smell the greatest. I've never had this before. We're just trying it. Mom, come smell. Well, like, smell it.
I don't smell anything.
You don't smell anything?
Oh, I gotta get out of your way.
I smell it. It smells, I don't know what it smells like, but then we're going to strain that and take that juice out. Like a honey or something, sorry. It should come into frame. But see how pretty yellow that is? They say it's supposed to have like a hint of honey flavor. They call this, I think, like a dandelion tea. There's all the petals. And we did have some green in there. They said a little bit of green's not bad, but you don't want a lot because it'll make it sour. Kind of tart. They said you want all that flavor. Okay. And then we're just going to make jelly like normal. We'll see how that works out. Okay, I'll be right back. So it looks like the only one I have is this Sure Gel. And it's a low sugar version. So I think what I'm going to do is use this mint jelly. So it's like 4.5 cups mint infusion, which is kind of the same thing you're doing here, is making an infusion. And then 3 cups of sugar. So we're going to try that and see how that works. So let's try this. I told Clint, he's like, good luck with that. Okay, so I'm going to sterilize my lids over here. You guys can't see that. I have my water boiling over there. There's my pan for my jelly. This is exactly 4 cups. So I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, get it up to 4.5. I mean, water. Okay, so 4.5 cups of water. Tastes like grass. Okay. I know we have to have some lemon juice. So, we make jelly all the time, so it's pretty simple. And then it tells you here how to do it, and proceed with step 2 of the cooked jam directions. No wonder I can't find it. Alright. Measure exact amount of sugar into a bowl. Do not reduce. Combine. Measure exact amount of prepared or use liquid derivatives of prepared into large. Stir in lemon juice and water. So I'm going to stir in lemon juice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this started, get this done, and we'll be back when we're done making the jam. So you just follow the directions right now. Okay, and then we're going to turn that off, and then, let's see if I can put this over here. I already have a ladle. See how messy it's going to be coming through. Smells good though. So that they say is too rough. Actually, they say to snack on it. That's what this one lady says.
What?
That's what this one lady says. Use it for a snack. There you go, Mom. There's your snack.
She thinks.
These.
Yeah.
Actually, not bad. Oops, I spilled.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. Go ahead.
Not bad as when I poured it.
That's good.
Sorry, Mom. I forgot that Clint and I always do this together. He does all the hard work. You know what? That might be all we have is
Really?
3 jars. I don't know.
Well, look, oh, you can see it's already setting up.
Oh, don't do that tight, remember? Just finger tight. And then we're going to put it in the boiler. Or in the boiled water. Yeah, just finger tight.
Turn you boil the water.
It's boiling. Or it was.
And now.
You can turn it back up, yeah. Okay. I should have just enough for us to give it a good taste. Let me grab this thing over here. I know, wouldn't that be fun to use all your dandelions for? Okay, I'm through. Okay, I'll get spoons for everybody.
Said you got 2 out of it?
3.
Oh, 3. Oh, I didn't see the one in the back.
I'll just use yours because I ain't gonna eat very much of it.
Well, I know, but I don't want to put dirty spoons.
Oh,
in there.
that's true. Is that good enough?
Yeah, probably. There you go, Mom.
What?
Mine.
Taste it and let them know what you think of it.
Ooh. say it tastes like honey.
Does it taste like honey?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, Mom likes it, guys.
That is really good.
That ain't bad. That's pretty darn good, actually. I like
Ooh,
Isn't it? Isn't that
that is
good?
really good.
that. And what are the health benefits of this?
That's awesome.
That's what I wonder. Are there any health benefits?
We're going to have to.
That's really good.
It is
Let me look. Well, there's a bunch of
How long, hon?
Huh?
Do we boil this?
5 minutes. Dandelion health. Okay, what is...
Yeah.
Okay, it may promote a healthy liver, may aid digestion,
Really?
and it may help manage diabetes, though I'm not sure with all this sugar. May
Yeah.
act as a skincare agent,
Really?
may
Weight
aid weight loss,
Mm.
may boost immunity, may alleviate anemia, may regulate blood sugar pressure,
Huh.
may help in prenatal care, and may improve bone health. So really it should help with everything, right?
Pretty much what it sounds like.
So this is what it looks like.
Mm.
And it's really tasty. I mean,
liked it, actually.
yeah, and
Really good.
it was really tasty. It has like a little bit of a lemon flavor.
It tastes like
Pretty.
It does taste a lot like honey.
Pretty.
And it's pretty. So thank you guys. Hope you learned something. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. See you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for visiting.
Bye.
Cut zines, everyone.
Tuck jeans.